This is the Emerson Comfort Alert diagnostic device that you may find installed on many HVAC units. It is an extra protection device for the compressor which monitors the voltage to the compressor at all times and will flash a code or lock out whenever there is a problem. This is the user manual that is available for the Comfort Alert device. It can be obtained by Googling Comfort Alert, and you should be able to download the PDF file pretty easily off the internet. On the Comfort Alert device, the green power LED indicates that voltage is present at the power connection of the module. The yellow alert LED flashes to indicate a fault code, and the red trip LED indicates if the compressor is tripped or has no power. It also has the capability to send a signal to the thermostat that will alert the end user of a problem. The three-phase module detects missing and reverse phase, and there are spade connectors to detect thermostat Y demand and pilot voltage. And right on the diagnostic device, there is a diagnostic key that directs the service tech quickly and accurately to root causes of the problem. The incoming power, L1, L2, and L3, is run through this device and monitors the voltage coming to the compressor at all times. It also has spade connections where you can run the thermostat connections through this device so that it will alert the end user if there's any problem on the thermostat. It also has a protection connection which runs through the high pressure and low pressure and any other safeties that may be on the system to immediately lock out the compressor if there's a problem. Because this device was designed by Emerson, it also has DC solenoid output for the Ultratech two-stage compressor. This table, which lists the LED status codes, is available in the user manual, which is easily downloadable from the internet. It shows us the green power LED, which tells us the module has power and supply voltage is present at the module terminals. The red trip LED, if it's on solid, tells us that we have a demand on Y for the compressor to run, but the compressor is not running. If it's flashing, this tells us that the anti-short cycle timer is preventing the compressor to restart. The yellow LED, if it's on solid, tells us that we have a short circuit or an overcurrent condition on the protection line. If it is flashing, it tells us that one of our safety switches has tripped and the unit is put in a lockout condition. This table, also available in the user manual, shows you the flash codes that the yellow alert LED will tell you what the system is locked out on. If the red LED is on solid, as we've said, this means that there is a demand on Y, but there is no measured voltage to the compressor. So the compressor isn't operating when the system demand is present. Some root causes could be the low pressure or high pressure switch is open, a motor protector is open, fuses or switches could be open, or the comfort alert may not be wired correctly. If your yellow LED is flashing 2 times to alert you to a problem, the code 2 tells you that the comfort alert has detected system pressure codes. 4 consecutive protector trips have occurred. It could be a high pressure condition causing the compressor to run briefly before tripping. So if you see the amber LED light flashing 3 times, this means that the comfort device has sensed a short cycling pattern, which means the compressor is running only for short periods of time. And it gives you some root causes that you could look at to resolve the issue. If the amber LED is flashing 4 times, this means that it has sensed a locked rotor on the compressor. 4 consecutive protector trips have occurred. The compressor is attempting to start, but cannot. And then it gives you some root causes of what to check with the compressor. A flashing 5 on the amber LED detects an open circuit code that Y is present, but there is no compressor current for more than 4 hours. So power is not connected to the compressor. And then it gives you some things to check to find out why. A code 6 on the amber LED is sensing a missing phase. Since this device monitors all 3 phases of incoming power, it will detect when one winding of the compressor is not getting power. And so it gives you some root causes to look at why this may be happening. A code 7 flashing on the amber LED detects reverse phase on a 3-phase unit. This could happen by changes in the electrical panels at the job site, or by somebody moving electrical wires supplying voltage to the unit. So 2 of the 3 phases are reversed, and it gives you a root cause to look for to resolve the issue. So 8 flashes on the amber LED will tell us that there is a welded contactor, that there is no Y input, and yet we still have current being detected. So the compressor contactor is not disengaging. So we probably have a welded contactor, or the comfort alert is not wired correctly. If the amber LED is flashing 9 times, this means that it is sensing low voltage. The comfort alert detects low voltage when the 24 volts being supplied to it is below 18 volts. Could be a transformer overload, or it could be line voltage is dropping. This will auto reset at 19 volts AC and will recheck it every 3 minutes. A nice feature of the comfort alert is that from Emerson there is software available, as alarm history is kept in the memory of this device. Comfort alert analysis software is required, but it keeps 7-day history of alarms and an overall count of alarms in permanent history. This software would enable you to track problems that you have on a particular job and may be able to help you resolve the issue.
Go to arefco.com for more videos. Like, subscribe, and check back every week for new videos.